Hello everybody and welcome back to Sweet Cheat Sheets. Today we're making something soft, moist and rich with sweet cinnamon, the ultimate vegan cinnamon rolls. So let's begin. First, we're making the dough, the heart of this bake. In our mixing bowl, we'll add our flour, sugar, easy blend yeast, and just a pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix to bring it all together. Then set it aside while we prepare our wet ingredients, starting with melting down our vegan coconut-based butter. Then pour in your soy milk and mix it all together. Once combined, pour the wet ingredients straight into the dry and start mixing by hand. Once it starts coming together, switch to the mixer and knead it with the dough hook. You'll know it's ready when the dough forms a ball and clings to the hook. I finished kneading by hand to pick up any dough left in the mixing bowl. At this point, the dough should feel smooth and springy. Then I'll shape it into a ball, place it into an oiled bowl, and cover it up to rise for 30 minutes. After its first rise, I tightly wrap the dough and place it in the fridge overnight. This extra step isn't necessary, but it helps develop deeper flavor and improves texture by slowing down fermentation. The next day, just let it come back to room temperature for about an hour before shaping. Up next, the filling. Rich, sweet, impossible to resist, and only 3 ingredients, starting with coconut butter. Then we add some brown sugar, and of course our cinnamon. Then whip it until it comes together into a smooth, even filling. Yum. Lastly, scrape down the bowl to make sure it's fully blended. Now it's time to shape, slice and stack. Let's get these rolls ready for the oven. After coming back to room temperature, give the dough a light knead to bring it back to life. Flour the surface and we're ready to roll. Start flattening the dough by hand, flipping it a few times to keep the shape even and prevent sticking. Out comes the rolling pin, fitted with custom stoppers made by my lovely husband. Roll the dough into a large rectangle, 1/2 centimeter in thickness. When it comes to the filling, this is not the time to be shy. Spread on a generous layer right up to the edges. Now roll the dough into a tight sausage, starting from the long edge. Then slice the roll into even pieces, about 2 centimeters thick. Start placing your rolls in the pan. No need for perfection, you can shift them around as needed. Then cover them up and let them rise for another 15 minutes. They'll puff up and fill in the gaps. Then bake them on 190 for 30 minutes until golden. While the rolls bake, let's make the glaze. Start with softened coconut butter and whip it until it's smooth. Add icing sugar and vanilla extract. Whip it all together into a creamy glaze. The glaze is technically ready now, but I like to add just a bit of soy milk to loosen it. It helps it to soak into the rolls and make it even better. Mix it up one last time and our glaze is ready. With the rolls fresh out of the oven and still warm, now is the time to glaze it and let it melt into every swirl. Finally, after a few minutes letting it cool down, we can remove the pan. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Golden, soft, moist, and just the right amount of sticky. This is what cinnamon roll dreams look like. That glaze, those layers, come on! And if the outside wasn't enough, just look at that inside. So rich, so tender, absolutely mouth-watering. You'd never have guessed it's completely vegan. Got a favorite dessert you want to see made vegan? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next one.